Hello guys, welcome back. I'm going to show you here how you hide panels. First, what you're gonna do is about to go for view, and after you go to the menu of view, you will see panels here. You will start right here to see what kind of panel. If you want open library panel, okay, so we will check all panels to be opening. Layers panel, Zygle panel. Okay, so this is really every single one the panel. So to hide all of these panels, possible thing, you will start to show or hide UI, and it will absolutely make the screen of this really being removed like this. So that is actually how you do. And if you wanted to reset it back without refreshing like this, because if refreshed, you will start to see that is really very new again. So all you do is about to press on control slash or reverse of slash, which is really the reverse of this slash. Okay, so you see this one, you will start to type the reverse of it, or hold control and press on the reverse.